Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create a zip file in the Finder application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Finder application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the Find application. In the previous tutorial, I did create a folder and then move some images from the desktop to the created folder. So what we will do is focus heavily on that folder, which is on screen now. Highlight the folder, and now to create a zip file, there are many ways we can do this. We can right click, compress, we can use terminal commands to navigate to the folder and then use a command to create the zip. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics. In the near future, we may create a zip using the terminal command prompt. So let's go to Photos, 2023, right click, compress, and this has now given us a zip file. If I were to, let's just say, copy, highlight, Command C to copy, go to the desktop, Command V to paste. Let's now minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's open up the zip file by double clicking, and this will open the zip file and give us the folder. If we click on the folder, we have those two images that were moved from the desktop to this folder, and now we have moved everything back to the desktop. So we can now quit Finder, go all the way onto the dock again, go to the Documents Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.